Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about CPR, that is central pivot range. Okay, so we'll be talking about this indicator in this video. So I'll be telling you how you can use this indicator and what are the advantages of it. Okay, so CPR means central pivot range. So this indicator is used to identify the key price point to set up the trades. Okay, and CPR is highly beneficial and useful for intraday traders. Okay, so this indicator can be found in your zerodha guide chat. So just go to studies and search for central pivot range and you can find it, and once you click it, it will be applied, and once it is applied, it will look something like this with a three horizontal lines. Okay, so it consists of these three lines, that is, the top one is top central pivot, and the down one, the bottom, is bottom central pivot. Okay, and this is pivot line. Okay, the center line is a pivot line. This is a top central pivot and the bottom is the bottom central pivot. So these are the three things which it consists of. And now by using this indicator we can identify the tomorrow's range and the tomorrow's trend of a stock, like how the stock will be. Is it a trend? It will be a trending stock for tomorrow, or it will be a sideways or a range bound. You can identify by using this CPR, that is central pivot range indicator. So I'll be telling you how to use this and how you can identify, and with a lot of calculation. Okay, so watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and also I'll be telling you how this top and bottom line is calculated by using this pivot line. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch the video till the end to know everything about the CPR. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Okay, so I do upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading and to recover your losses from today, you can join my course now. Okay, so I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance. Also, I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the CPR, that is central pivot range. So let me explain you now. So you can see CPR is being formed in a different way in a different days chart. Sometimes it is wider, sometimes it is narrow, and all the things. So now let me explain you how you can identify the next day trend by using CPR. So before that, let me tell you the calculation how the CPR is calculated. So guys, the pivot line what you see in the center is calculated by high and low, high plus low plus close divided by 3 by the previous day chart, and the bottom CPR is calculated by high plus low divided by 2, and the top CPR what you see is calculated by pivot minus the bottom CPR plus pivot. So by doing all this calculation, you can see the central pivot range, that is the three lines. Okay, CPR is formed by using this calculation. So don't worry about this calculation, this is just for your knowledge sake what I said you, because if you just plot this indicator, it will do the calculation and then plot the line. Now you may ask how to identify the next day trend by using the CPR. Okay, so guys, whenever the CPR is opening wider range like this chart, okay, so whenever it opens wider, that means the stock will be in a sideways, as you guys can see here. Okay, so here if I draw it, so if you can see here, it has opened wider, okay, and it is in sideways for the day. Okay, so whenever the CPR opens wider like this, okay, which will be having more gap for these three lines, that means it is opening in the wider, that means it will be a sideways stock. That day the stock will be sideways. And now let's come to the next day chart. Here the CPR, you can see it is not much widely opening, it is just close to all the three lines are close to each other, it's almost close to each other, they're narrow. That means it will be very trending day for the stock. So this time you can select this kind of stock to trade. You can see here the difference. Okay, so yeah, let me just show you the difference here between this chart and this chart. Okay, so this was when the center pivot range was opening wider. Okay, when it opened wider, the stock was fully range bound. Okay, it was only in this range, but when the stock was in this kind of condition, when it was opened in a narrow way, okay, when it opened in a narrow way, when the CPR opened in a narrow way, the stock was trending the whole day. You can see it was in a downward movement, but the stock trended all the day. Okay, it was a very volatile movement what it has given on the same day. Okay, but when the stock opened in the wider way, it didn't give you much movement. Okay, so this is how you can identify it. And the good part about the CPR is it doesn't keep on changing. Okay, so whenever the market opens at 9:15, so at that time itself you'll get this line, and by seeing this line only you can decide how the trend or the volatility of the stock will be. Okay, it's very useful indicator to know the trend. Okay, so it will tell you how the stock will be for the day, either it is volatile or sideways. Okay, you can identify quickly by seeing the CPR, and this will also help you in your stock selection, right? So if you have selected any stock and if you see the CPR being very wide, then you can skip that stock, because when you see the wide CPR, that means you know the stock is in a range bound or a sideways and there will be no movement in that. But whenever you see a stock being CPR being close like this, okay, one more example here, the CPR is very close here, that is bottom, high and the pivot are very close. You have to exactly find a situation like this. Okay, when the setup is like this, when it is close like this, you can take that stock for the consideration and trade on it. Okay, and whenever the stock is trading above this top central pivot range, this high line, that means the stock is almost in a high trend. And whenever it is trading below this bottom line, that means the stock is almost in a downtrend. Okay, and this center line is a pivot line, so you should always take this as a main support. Okay, so all these things works on a support and resistance basis. Okay, so it's all based on support and level basis. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, you can easily identify the trend and the volatility of the stock if you know to say the CPR. Okay, so now let me tell you one more point which is very important to you. So just let me take my keynote and explain you that. So this, I explained you how the calculation is done for the bottom CPR and the top CPR and the pivot, and now let me tell you how it is calculated. Okay, when you plot the CPR at the end of the day, the previous month's open, high, low, close is referenced. Okay, and previous week's open, high, low, close is referred when you plot CPR for 30 minutes or 1 hour candle. Okay, so now I shown the example of 15 minutes. So previous days open, high, low, close is referenced when you plot the CPR for 1, 3, 5, 10 and 15 minutes candle chart. Okay, so if you plot 1 minute candle chart or 3, 5, 10, 15, that means the previous day high, low, close and open is calculated, and previous week's open, high, low, close is calculated when you plot for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, so that's what it means. So the different kind of time frame you keep, the different kind of calculation is automatically done by the CPR itself. So now whatever the example I showed is for 15 minutes candle chart, because we trade in intraday and 15 minutes is the main thing what we use. So if I switch it for 30 minutes or 1 hour, the CPR range will be changed. Okay, and even if I put for 1 day candle chart, even that CPR level will be changed. Okay, so even if you are a swing trader or a positional trader, you can still make use of CPR, okay, by checking the trend, and you can keep 15 to identify the intraday trend or intraday volatility. Okay, so you can use this CPR and it will help you to identify the volatility and the liquidity of the stock, which is very helpful in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also if you guys want me to make a strategy depending on CPR, do let me know in the comment section, so I'll make an entry exit strategy by using the CPR. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. And also guys, there is an offer from upstox. So if you open your upstox account from the link given in the description below of this video, you will get a free trading account. You don't need to pay any money. For free you will get an upstox trading account, and if you open today you get more offers. Okay, you get free 1 month trading with zero brokerage. There's been no brokerage charge from your side. There will be free trading for 1 month and you will get zero brokerage. Okay, there is no brokerage charges on stocks, mutual fund, digital gold, IPO and NFO. Okay, so whatever you trade, whether in future and option or equity, stock, long term or short term or anything you trade, if you open your account today, for the next 1 month full, you don't have to pay any brokerage charges. So it's free account. You can click the link in the description below of this video and click on and make a free account and also trade for free. Okay, so once you open your upstox account by using the link given in the description below of this video, you will be added to my Telegram channel where I share some of the stock market facts and news.